It is a place for creative freedom to blossom. It's open specifically to teens, but it's free, and it is a way for anything you could ever dream, think, create to come to life.
It's a teen makerspace where teens can come in for free and also hang out with friends and make new friends.
It's a library card, but cooler.
I think this space is really fun to be in.
The thing that surprised me the most was just how much was here in such a small area.
Like a safe place for teens to just be creative and have fun.
The mix is so important for our community. It gives teens a place to come and be themselves. It gives teens a place to have resources that they wouldn't normally have access to. For example, the 3D printers, which I love.
At the time, I didn't know, hey, you could take a machine, put some plastic through it, and then build this object. And that was just mind-blowing to me at the time.
You get to use the resources that are available to you to work on something that you really enjoy. And in addition to that, you get help and support on working on the projects that you want to do.
It got me into a lot of engineering and 3D printing, 3D modeling. It's brought a lot of hobbies in, and it's gotten me into a lot of interests.
Mostly stuff on GarageBand, since it's music stuff, recording stuff. Helps me get more of an idea of what I might want to do with music later on as a career.
As for some of the soft skills that I felt I built up as a mixed teen, watching the mixed mentors that I had as a teen, seeing how they handle conflict resolution gave me a healthier model of how to handle conflict in my own life.
I was really shy. I'm still very shy at school and just not as open to talk and stuff. But I've gotten better when it comes to communicating what I want and what I need for school, with accommodations I need. So I've been getting better at advocating for myself.
I love that about the mix. It's a place where anyone can mix together and build what they want or imagine.